Hello, I'm Andrew Wasson from CreativeGuitarStudio.com. If you've ever paid attention to which scales and key signatures get used most often by guitar players, I think that you would agree the sound of E minor is right up there near the top of the list. The open E6 string is a real driving force for guitar riffs, and the sound of E minor is pretty much one of the most popular directions used for riffs and licks. So to help you with both of these areas, I've organized E minor in its strongest scale setup of pentatonic to help you learn a lick and riff combo that'll show everyone how good you play guitar. But first, before we get started, I have a quick word I want to share with you about my Handouts Collection ebook offer. Do you want an amazing guitar book that's perfect for any guitarist at any level? Well, here's how to get yourself a copy of the Creative Guitar Studio Handouts Collection ebook. It's easy to do with any donation of $5 or more made on the CreativeGuitarStudio.com website. You'll instantly receive a copy of this 100-page guitar lesson ebook. It's jam-packed full of chords, scales, arpeggios, music theory, and technique drills. Join the thousands of guitar players who've already received their copy of this amazing lesson book. Just head to CreativeGuitarStudio.com/donations to donate and download your copy today. I've split up this E minor pentatonic guitar lick into two parts. The first part is in the upper neck area on the top three strings from 8th to 12th fret, and then the second half drops down to the mid and lower region of the neck between 2nd and 8th frets on strings 2, 3, and 4. After that, if you stick around to the end, I've got a fun way to help wrap up the lesson by giving you a jam track riff that not only sounds great on its own, but it also helps perform a double duty as a backing track for the lesson's guitar lick. So let's get things started by checking out the first half of this E minor pentatonic lick. It's up high on the neck and sounds like this. Here it is a little slower. So you can tell we're starting up around 10th fret and we get a quick drop down into 8th, and then we just sort of bring it back to a unison that's found between a G on the 12th fret 3rd string to another unison G on the 8th fret of 2nd string before we wrap it all up into the root on the 9th fret of the 3rd string. All right, so that's the first half of our guitar lick. The second half, like I said, goes around the mid-register region of the neck. Here's what it sounds like. Here's again. So you can tell we're starting off with a pull-off from 8 to 5 on 2nd string, and it's a quick one because it's a 16th note, and then we're going to bring around a 7th fret 3rd string to 5, back to 7, over to the 4th fret of 3rd string into 7th fret 4th string, back to that 3rd string 4th fret. Now we have a grace note slide, sustain that a little bit, bring it back down to that G at 5th fret 4th string, into the resolution of the root note at the 2nd fret of 4th string. So that is the guitar lick. You put them all together and it sounds like this. So it's a really nice sound, and we're using a lot of the span of the guitar neck to be able to do this, and if you get this together, it's going to sound great and you will impress people with the line. It's a very cool combination of a bunch of the favorite playing areas of E minor pentatonic on the neck, and I'm sure it won't take you long to develop that either. So next thing I want to do is show you a backing riff that I put together, and this is going to help you apply this and get a bit of application and get the sound happening in your playing. First, I want to go over what this backing riff sounds like on its own. It sounds like this right here. So this particular riff, what it's doing is moving pretty quick. We're up around 127 beats per minute, so it's a fairly fast idea. And what we're trying to do is incorporate some two-note chords alongside of a droning 6-string open E, and all the two-note chords are found from the key signature that E minor is from, so we get everything blending really nice. Now, if you're a Patreon member of mine over at patreon.com/Creative Guitar Studio, you're going to get a jam track, and the jam track sounds like this. So that's basically the riff I just played, except now you're getting it as an MP3 jam track if you're a Patreon member. Any level Patreon member over at my Patreon will be able to download this. $3, $5, $15, all the levels are going to be part of this release. So let me play the guitar licks now over top of the jam loop. Here we go. As you can hear, it blends perfectly. We've got all those touches that hit on the different punches of the chords going by. It's basically all E minor, so all you got to do is take the guitar lick that I gave you for this lesson, layer it over top of the jam track, and then probably you're going to want to start inventing some of your own ideas as well. Go for it. The sky's the limit. You're going to have a lot of fun jamming on this thing because pentatonic is one of those go-to guitar scales where everything sounds smooth and connects extremely well. Once again, to be able to get the jam track for this and the PDF download that shows you all the explanations in both tablature and traditional music notation, you can find that over at my Patreon at patreon.com/Creative Guitar Studio. I've been doing Patreon for a long time. There's over 500 lessons currently on my Patreon, and they all tie in to some fantastic lesson videos that'll help you become the best guitar player that you can be. If you want to get even more information and really take your chops to the next level, check out my own website. It's called creativeguitarstudio.com. It's not associated to Patreon or affiliated in any way. It's my own website where all my courses are on. So if you want to study my beginner program, intermediate, advanced, maybe you want to do my guitar technique course or my guitar soloing course or the songs program or acoustic guitar or ear training, rhythm guitar, whatever it is, it's on the site. There's a fantastic program waiting for you over at creativeguitarstudio.com. And one more time, to get the handout and the MP3 jam track for this lesson, just head over to my Patreon at patreon.com/Creative Guitar Studio. Learning about minor pentatonic licks and riffs will help you get one step closer to becoming the best guitar player that you can be. To learn more, sign up for a free membership today at creativeguitarstudio.com. With a free membership, you'll be able to access all the free lesson material, including a collection of 6 years of YouTube archives, where there are hundreds of videos, PDF handouts, and MP3 jam tracks. Plus, with a free membership, you'll gain access to the Quick Licks program, a 30-lesson course covering guitar licks in all playing styles across all types of scales and arpeggios. When you sign up for a paid membership, you'll get access to my core curriculum, including my beginner, intermediate, and advanced guitar programs. Plus, there's also my elective courses on the site, like acoustic guitar, guitar technique, guitar soloing, ear training, music reading, and many others. Go check it out. You're going to love it. The website is creativeguitarstudio.com. I have over 30 years experience teaching guitar, and I've written a well-organized step-by-step guitar course. Head over to my website at creativeguitarstudio.com and sign up for a free membership today. Join the thousands of members worldwide who have already enrolled. There's no need to learn the guitar on your own. Let me help you become the best guitar player you can be.